Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to a General Math Construct Part 4, a lesson in reality. Now, if you haven't seen Parts 1 through 3, I suggest you go back and take a look at those. It pretty much describes why the fuck they're teaching you all this math because they're stealing from you by teaching it to you. And the more you understand and the more you learn and the more you apply it, they're going to steal fucking more from you. So enough of that. Let's get to it. So we're going to continue on with our lesson of math is fake. Math is fake. It's the Peter Pan, it's the Captain Hook, it's the Never Never Land of the reality of most people living, but they don't know that. They aren't taught that in schools, okay? But like I said, don't get me wrong, if you want to make it real, you go ahead and do that, okay? But you can't push me, you cannot force me to believe it's real, okay? So let's move on here. Can 1 million plus 1 million equal 1? Is that possible? Well, let's see. I got 1 million grains of one color of sand plus a million grains of another type of sand. Gee, let me think. What could that be? What do you think? What the do you think? You think that 1 million plus 1 million can equal 1 or something? What's this? 1 million grains plus 1 million grains equals 1 sandcastle. But wait. I see one pile of sand, and I see another one pile of sand, and that equals 1 too. So what we see here is that no matter what we have, we can break it down into its smallest elements and call it 1 grain, 1 million of those grains, and then those 1 million grains become 1 pile, right? And then we added 1 pile plus 1 pile, and that equaled 1 sandcastle. Now, didn't it? No matter how you look at this, no matter what your perspective is, we can break it down into ones, we can build it up into ones, and it's always going to be ones. It will never change. Now you said, wait. What if I just keep on adding piles of sand? Well, then you're going to have one fucking beach now, aren't you? We said, well, what about several beaches? Well, that'd be one fucking coastline now, wouldn't it? We said, well, what if there's several coastlines? Well, several coastlines is called a continent. You said, what about several continents? Well, that would be the planet we live on. Okay? So you can keep on going with this idea. You can keep on taking it there, but you don't need to do that. What you need to do is be able to break things down into ones, and you need to build them back up into ones. And you need to see that no matter what it is, it's going to be one of something. Whether it's a fraction of something, whether it's a giant universe of something, we can just call that one universe. We can call that 1 grain of sand. But we have to be able to move back and forth in the world we live in with this concept of everything is represented as ones, no matter where you go, no matter what you do. If you want to solve these problems, you have to break it down and build it up using ones. If you want to keep learning math with a good teacher, you know what to do. Have a good day.